welcome. Andy here.
And Nessie here.
And we're driving alongside the Ladybower Reservoir in Derbyshire. Not too many people about here today. It's usually quite busy, but there's a few further up.
A few boats, a few fishermen on the lake, on the reservoir.
Not as busy as sheep on the road. Don't think they're
Where did they come from?
Don't know. I don't think they're supposed to be on an A road.
No.
They've escaped. No, not as busy as usual around here. Probably because it's a bit cool today, cloudy.
A bit overcast.
Yeah, not the best of days. Reservoir's looking quite full. Probably after all the rain we've had during March. And it's still carrying on. Good grief, an old freight rover.
I wonder if those sheep have come down off the hill there.
Oh, they might have got through from somewhere anyway. Carry on around the other side of the Ladybower. Yeah, it's a lot quieter today. We're usually stuck in queues of traffic around here.
Picked the right day to come.
Yeah, we did. There's usually cars all, even though there's double yellow lines, there's usually cars all parked along here.
Yeah, they don't seem to care.
They don't.
Mind you, there's no yellow lines here. This is a parking area.
Yeah, but I've known them park on the double yellows before now. All got their maps out.
I was just about to say exactly the same thing.
Yeah. Not for a route march. If we did a right here, it'd take us to another reservoir further up, but we're going to carry on. And we're now hitting the Snake Pass. Quite a famous road. As it gets snowed in during the winter. And also a dangerous road, as a lot of people get killed on this road due to speed. So we should be driving at 50 mile an hour maximum along here, because that is the set speed for this road. So we should be keeping to that. I know the police patrol this road anyway, so we'll just take our time.
Yeah, no need to use it as a racetrack.
No.
Following along the reservoir.
Yeah, there's a few people around the bottom of the reservoir there. Having a picnic.
Don't think I'd want to stop for a picnic this weather.
No, not the best of days. Yeah, a motorbike coming past me. I'm on 50. So he's obviously breaking the speed limit.
A lot of them do.
Yeah. Well, I've had cars overtake me as well along here. I'm not saying I'm perfectly innocent. I do speed at times. But I tend to watch it more these days than I used to.
The way I look at it, if you're going somewhere, I'd rather arrive late than not arrive at all.
Very true. Thought he was waiting to turn out. I thought he was going to pull out in front of me. So I slowed down a little bit just in case. lower half of the Snake Pass now by the lake, so slowly we will climb up to Baths. Both recovering from a wonderful evening last night we had.
Yeah, good night out at the local theatre.
Yeah, the 7th Theatre in Shrewsbury. We went there and saw the Drifters. Very good night.
The latest version of the Drifters.
Yes,
I don't think they were originals.
No, they can't be the originals. No, definitely not.
They've been going a few years.
But the name still continues as the Drifters, and they were singing the Drifters songs, and they were also doing some other songs from the Four Tops. Who else was there? Temptations.
Yeah.
To name just a couple.
And of course Benny E. King, who was one of the original Drifters.
Yes. So it was a very good night. But by the time you see this video, it won't have been last night. So it might be a week ago or more. We don't put our videos on straight away because we've got a build-up of videos we do to keep a good supply.
We don't like to bombard people.
If we were putting videos on every time we do them, we'd perhaps be putting 6 or 7 videos on at a time. Well, that it's saturated a bit, so we take our time and put them on slowly. Starting to get higher up now, slowly, because my ears have just popped.
As I said last night, the Drifters as they are today are like Trigger's broom in Fools and Horses, really.
Yeah, yes, that's right. Perfect.
It's still a broom, but it's got new heads and new handles. So.
Yeah, that's right.
But it's his broom, and it's always been his broom.
Yeah.
And they will always be the Drifters.
That's right. And they will come and they will go.
Yeah.
As others retire, new ones will come in, and they will carry on as the Drifters.
They never
change the name. They never change.
No, they never say they're
the new Drifters or anything like that. They just carry on. Yes, I know that changed to red.
Just as we went through.
Oh
my goodness!
That road's a bit rough there. I don't know whether you caught that. That was like a roller coaster. Wasn't expecting that.
I had to hold on. Oh dear, oh dear.
Yeah, that was fun. Very unexpected.
Oh.
That gave the Range Rover the Black Beast to work out on its suspension. It was a bit like off-roading, that was.
Oh dear.
Yeah, that takes me back. Takes me back to the days when I used to trial Land Rovers.
Oh dear.
Yeah, that was a bit of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Certainly shook something about.
Yeah.
Oh dear. He threw me out my seat. Good job I had a seatbelt on.
Yeah. Good job we're not in a convertible. You'd have been out the roof. Obviously the road is given away back there. Was given away
It's
just
given away here as well. Oh my God.
It's gone. The road has gone.
Disappeared.
Down the bank.
Oof.
Obviously the winter has taken its toll on the road. Read somewhere where the road to give way. I forget where we're already now. road.
Yeah.
And I think at Easter time it would have been pretty packed because this road takes you all the way to Manchester. So all those coming from Manchester along here would have been held up. There we go. More traffic lights.
Way.
Yeah.
Another roller coaster.
Road's getting a little bit rough. That's what it used to be.
Yeah. A few little waterfalls coming down in the hills.
Peaks now, the Peak District, the Pennines, the backbone of England.
Lovely views.
Even better when the heather's out.
Oh yes. Colours are going to be amazing.
Different again, yeah.
Do we know what that little river is down the bottom there?
No, I don't know what that one is.
It's the River Ashop.
There we go. Soon found that out.
Yep.
Very convenient to have sat navs in your motor and you can just press a button and it gives you the information.
It's about the only thing that sat nav's used for.
Yes, don't use it very often.
We use it to see where we're going, not where we have to go.
We do occasionally use it if we're going somewhere that is a little bit difficult to find, but most of the time I know my way around.
What we have here is a man with an unbelievable memory for roads.
I'm quite often amazed Ness to say, well, we've been along here before, and she goes, have we? How do you know? Memory.
I mean, we'd be out in the wilds somewhere. I don't even remember the area, let alone the road.
Yeah. Oh, you've been up this one a few times anyway.
Well, I know this one.
Yeah, you do know this one, yeah.
Woodland either side now.
Yeah, the views are calm.
Forest. River's still down there.
Doesn't go anywhere then.
No.
Well, it's got to be going somewhere because it's flowing.
It's still down the bottom in the forest. And there's people walking down in the forest as well.
We've been for a walk now into the Snake Woodland.
Snake Woodlands, yes.
Obviously because of the Snake Pass.
Some of those trees are very, very tall.
Yeah,
It's
looking
quite deep down there.
Yeah, looking a bit bare as well, though. I would say they'll be due for felling before long. And on a bike. Got to get past him now without knocking him off.
Want to get a gap?
Mm.
Here we go.
Got to leave 2 metres between him and me. You want to try that on a single track road? You're leaving 2 metres between.
2 metres is the size of the road.
Yeah.
No, isn't it 1.5 metres?
No, it's 2 metres I read the other day.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it was 1.5 metres. Sheep on the road.
Yeah. Yeah, people who make rules for cyclists never think about narrow roads or single track roads. What are you supposed to do then? Follow them forever?
Yeah. Like that guy earlier on who walked across a double yellow line, a double white line.
Oh yeah, we had a motorist
to get
earlier
past
on.
a cyclist.
Straight bit of road, cyclist in front of him, double white lines. Obviously he doesn't know the fact that you can overtake a cyclist on double white lines. below a certain speed limit, which you can overtake. The white.
And the guy just sat behind him until the white line got broken.
Yeah, and then he decided to overtake.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we knew that, obviously, because of white lines, he wasn't going to overtake. Anyway, rant over.
He ended up with a convoy behind him.
Yeah, quite a convoy. I couldn't count the amount of cars behind me. There was quite a few. Getting to the top of the pass virtually now. Coming over the top. The last bit before it goes down towards Manchester.
A few sheep up on the hill here. Hello, what's he doing?
I don't know.
Turning round.
He's doing a U-turn in the middle of the main road. He's recovering something by the looks. Could be that BMW
Oh
stuck.
yeah, stuck out into the ditch.
There's a BMW gone down into the ditch.
Yeah.
He's probably recovering that. What he's doing down there, I don't know. I can only think that somebody's been overtaken and he's gone off the road.
Anyway, I think
yeah, we're at the top, so I think it's time to say cheerio on this bit of land that's very sparse and desolate.
if you like what you see, click the like.
And subscribe.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again.
Bye for now.
Bye.